Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Sarah. I have a degree in marketing and 3 years of experience in social media management.
That's great. Why do you want to work with our company?
I admire your innovative approach to digital marketing, and I believe I can contribute to your team with my skills.
What are your strengths?
I'm highly organized, creative, and good at problem solving.
That's good to hear. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Can you tell me more about the team I'll be working with?
Absolutely. Let me explain.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. You'll see the station on your left.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not at all. It's about a 10-minute walk.
Great. Do you know if I can buy tickets there?
Yes, there's a ticket counter and vending machines.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Have you noticed how the weather has been so unpredictable lately?
Yes, it's crazy. It's all because of climate change.
I read that global temperatures are rising faster than ever.
That's true, and it's causing more floods, wildfires, and droughts.
Do you think we can still fix it?
I hope so, but it will take everyone working together, governments, companies, and individuals.
What can we do to help?
Small things, like using less plastic, saving energy, and planting trees, can make a difference.
I think schools should teach kids more about this too.
Absolutely. The next generation needs to be aware and prepared.
Hi, are you free this Saturday evening?
I think so. Why?
I'm having a small dinner party at my place. Would you like to come?
That sounds great. What time should I come?
Around 7 p.m. It'll be fun.
Should I bring anything?
Just yourself. But if you'd like, you can bring a dessert.
Sure, I can do that. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. See you on Saturday.
I'm thinking about taking a vacation next month. Any suggestions?
How about Italy? It's beautiful this time of year.
That sounds amazing. What should I see there?
You must visit Rome, Florence, and Venice. The food is incredible too.
That's true. How many days do you think I'd need?
At least 10 days to see the main attractions.
Good idea. I'll start looking for flights and hotels.
Let me know if you need help planning.
Thanks. I can't wait to explore Italy.